Good morning, I'm Deta.
I'm Gania.
We will accompany you to talk with the resource person. The topic we will discuss today is about an athlete whose name has a soaring high in sport. Anthony Sinissuka Ginting.
Before we ask us, we include several sub-persons related to this topic of our discussion about Anthony. We will call them Rahel, Evo, and Nafisa.
Before we go deeper into who Ginting is, let's first find out who Ginting is.
Anthony Sinissuka Ginting is of Karo descent. Born in Cimahi, West Java on 20 October 1996. Despite that, he has succeeded in badminton start from young age in kindergarten. Despite focus on his sport, he became a champion in Bandung when he was 9 years old. Despite having achieved many accomplishments, he still has high ambition to achieve the best.
Okay, so Ginting was born in Cimahi. Wow, I just found out. The next question is, how about Ginting's parents?
Anthony Sinissuka Ginting became interested in badminton when around the age 5 or 6 years old, when his father took him to watch his father and his office friend playing badminton.